In this quick guide, I'll show you how to record depreciation in Zoho Books, helping you track the decreasing value of your assets accurately. Start by enabling the Fixed Assets feature. Go to Settings, then Preferences and select General. Check the box for Fixed Assets and click Save. Next, go to Accountant and then Fixed Assets and click on Add New Fixed Asset. Enter the asset name, purchase date, purchase price, current value and type. Then save it as a draft to double check your entries. Once verified, mark the asset as active. Zoho Books will automatically generate depreciation journal entries starting from the active date, saving you time and reducing manual errors. To view depreciations, open the asset and navigate to the Depreciation tab. Here you will see a full history of depreciation, detailed journal links, and even a forecast for future periods, helping you make informed financial decisions. And that's it. You have successfully set up and tracked asset depreciation in Zoho Books. Like and subscribe for more Zoho Books tips.